Hi all, this is a 10th tutorial from Engine in JavaScript category, functions in JavaScript. Like other programming language, JavaScript also having the functions. Let me discuss about that. What is function and how we can use it and samples. What is function and how to use? Function is a group of execution logic. Function is used to reuse the code. Function usage, declaration function and calling the function. I hope if you know about any programming language, you having the idea of the function. For example, you are doing the 10 lines of code. This 10 lines of code may be used in some other items, maybe some other time. So whenever you are needed, you could not reuse the code if it is a hard coder like line by line. So if it is a separate function, you can whenever you needed, you can able to call that function. Let me discuss about that in JavaScript aspect. Consider this is a function, so the function syntax always will be function is a keyword. It will have the name of the function and it will have the parenthesis. Also this opening and closing brackets. This is called function body area. So the within open and closing bracket we can have any number of code. This all code will get executed when we are calling this function. So this is the parenthesis. Right now I didn't have any parenthesis, so it is called as empty function. So I am calling, I declare this function where the function having the own declaration and body of the function, that is called function declaration. I declare the function. Now I am going to call that function. So the function call will be like this. It don't have any parameter, so I didn't pass any parameter. I just calling that function. Yes, as per our expectation, it got written. Okay, let me move on to the some other with functions with parameter. Consider this function having the parameter called name. The parameter always separated by the comma, meaning the number of, you can add any number of parameter with the separation of comma. The parameter we should not specify any data type like var, like that we could not specify. Based on our calling the function, passing the value, it will get assigned it. Okay, I declare the function here greeting. I am trying to call that function. I am giving, maybe someone is there, I can use them name. I am having engine only. Okay, so I am getting hi engine, welcome to the function. So if I change this name again, just test. Yes, this is called reusable. Consider it having only the 2 lines of code. If it is maybe 1,000 lines of code, instead of writing it 1,000 lines here and 1,000 lines here, we can, so it will be major reusability of the problem. So we are using the function for that. Consider we will have another one sample. What we discussed about last two functions not returning any value. So this function going to return the value, meaning the function may return the value or may not return the value. By default, the if we are not having any return statement, the function will return undefined. So I declare the function name sum. So I am calling this function with two parameters 1 comma 2. So I am getting the 3. This is the result I am getting because I am using return. Consider the previous example what we used previously, this greeting. So if I enter here, I am getting undefined, meaning in this function I am not returning any value. So by default the JavaScript will return undefined. This is the basics and exact of the function. One more thing I have to add it here. You can declare function on anywhere of the code. For example, our declaration of the function may be in down of the our JavaScript, and our calling of the function may be in first line. JavaScript automatically will having the arrangement to do that. So we will talk about these things in detail in upcoming sessions. I hope it is enough for now. You are clear, right? Okay. Okay. If you having any clarification, you can put it on in command window. Thank you.